Hello everybody, welcome back to Shelby Work Studio, and today we're doing a very special, fun, little miniature thrift/vintage haul of a few things that I've picked up over quarantine recently off of Depop and Poshmark, one of my two favorite online thrifting apps. Yeah, and I'm super excited to show you because I have been waiting about 3 weeks for these items to get here, and actually the fourth thing is coming tomorrow, but I just couldn't wait because I know exactly what they are. I just don't know how they're gonna look on me yet, so this will be exciting. On this channel we will do occasional thrift hauls, but to me a thrift haul is buying a few things at a time that I actually really want and want to save up for, rather than buying like 10 plus items with them potentially not working out, or just I get tired of them too quickly. So I think also it's important to, while it's okay to love thrifting and do thrift hauls, but to make sure that you are doing it in a sustainably responsible way and just being meaningful about like your intention of what you're buying, I think is really important. So that is why I only have 3 things to share with you today, but they are 3 really great pieces that I'm very much excited for. 2 of them are vintage, 1 of them is not, but that's okay. It has kind of a vintage vibe. And then I also have a couple things I can show you that I have collected recently over quarantine that mean a lot to me, and I think they're worth showing in this video. So without further ado, I guess we should jump into these packages. We'll start with these so I can actually wear these clothes, and I'm very excited to wear them in my Zoom classes because there is no such thing as being too dressed up or too fancy. Like, just live your best life. I fully intend to dress up however I like every day. Let's start with the one I am most excited for. I believe I know what it is, and first I would just like to say that it is inspired by one of my favorite TV shows as of recently, and I know many of you guys were very into Bridgerton when that came out, and I'm pretty sure I was like one of the first people to watch that show before it got popular. Very good, loved the costumes and everything, but actually been really loving Outlander. Apparently there's like 4 seasons, and the first season was a few years ago, so I've been like so excited to watch just like a couple episodes every night. Both shows are good, but Outlander is just like, it's a good show to watch in quarantine. So yeah, that's what this is inspired by. Got very nice packaging. Oh wait, this is not what I was thinking it was, but it's still gonna be good, okay? Outlander will be next. Oh my god. So this one was actually inspired kind of by Bridgerton. Not that this is anything like that time period of that show. This is actually from the 1960s. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say, it's just so beautiful. Okay, this is a different material than I thought it was going to be, but it is this beautiful Tiffany blue floral dress with this very fun like lace situation. Oh my gosh. It is floor length. I'm so excited for this. In the buttons, you can tell that it's vintage because of the lining in the inside. Oh my gosh. I just want to frolic in a meadow in Yosemite with this dress. I'm just utterly stunned. It's so beautiful. I will also try all of these things on tomorrow when there's more daylight, because I'm doing this at golden hour right now and the sun is escaping us sadly. I think we're going to save the best for last. So we're gonna go with the non-vintage thing first. I also thought I'd give you some tips of like how to shop on like Depop and things. First of all, Depop is like getting gentrified and it is so freaking expensive now. Like, people are marking up things that really should not be that expensive. So you really have to dig deep for days to find what you're looking for. So this is also something I wanted that was like, I didn't specifically want this brand, doesn't really matter. I just wanted another puff sleeve top because I feel like you can't go wrong with a puff sleeve top. So just, and you know, it just really like amps up a basic outfit. So one thing that you can do on Depop that, you know, might seem kind of wrong, well, if you're like looking for something specific and or you find somebody's page and like, oh, I love everything, their style, their aesthetic on this page, but it's like sold out, or you just like not finding your right size, but they have a similar taste and style to you, you can go to their likes, the things that they're like liking on a daily basis, and you can steal things that they have in their likes. And you know, it seems a little bit mean because it's like taking candy from a baby, but I have found many things through other people's likes, and me by saying this, you guys are probably gonna go shopping in my likes, which is totally fine. I don't need any more clothes, but yeah, that is a hack. Okay, on to the next piece. Just a note. Thank you so much for your purchase. You're welcome. Okay, I was a little nervous about this one. One, it's very beautiful. Okay, I love the color and the shape of it, but it's a non-vintage piece, so it's Urban Outfitters actually, and I love like Urban Outfitters styles and silhouettes, but usually when I get Urban Outfitters things in my hands, I'm like, oh, the quality isn't that great. So this might be the same situation, but I think it'll still look really cute. It is definitely like totally sheer, like more sheer than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll make it work, okay? It's like a pretty peach coral ruched situation with big sheer sleeves, super dainty. I think it would look super great with my current outfit I have on. Let's see if I can show you. Do this gracefully, even though Grace is my middle name. I'll show you tomorrow. But basically I'm wearing my black star statement pants that I made yesterday in my previous video that you can check out. But this with like my black jeans and some Doc Martens, I think it's a cute, simple look. So that'll be super fun. Yeah. Okay. I think I've got two really great pieces so far, and I'm super excited to style these, so that's all that matters. Now this is the one I was talking about earlier in the video or something. I was inspired by the show Outlander, the Scottish babes in that show. I've literally just been waiting to wear this so bad, and all right, back to the clothes. Oh my god, literally packed it in vintage fabric. What does this say? It says, "Thank you for shopping my closet." And she put a doily on top. Oh my god, like that is just perfect presentation. And she even gave me a deal too. Okay, this was from Poshmark. One thing I love about Poshmark is that if you just like anything, even if you don't like really love it, you will automatically get like a discount that night or the next day. So in your inbox, you'll get notifications from Poshmark being like, hey, this item you liked is on sale, or it's discounted, free shipping. And then on top of that, depending on how you feel of how nice you want to be, you can also put in an offer to get it even cheaper. This item I believe was $25, but I was running low on the funds, so I was like, this is beautiful. I always try to leave a nice comment if I want to bargain first. Could you do 18 for it? And she accepted. Bless her heart, okay? Anyways, I tend to ramble, I apologize. Let's undo this beauty and see what we have. Oh my gosh. Can you guess what it is? Think Scotland. What is a fashion piece that comes with Scotland? Yes, it's plaid. It's so beautiful. This is the thing I was most excited for. Oh my gosh. And you know what's even better about this? Is that it was actually made in Scotland. Look at this. Let's see if I can show you. Made in Scotland. I'm so excited. It's wool. I am a human that is constantly cold, no matter what the weather is. So this will definitely keep me warm. It's got this beautiful pleated front and back, and these actual leather buckles right there. And I think the Urban Outfitters top with the plaid skirt. There's literally the same kind of peach color as the top. That is pretty dandy. And there's lots of pairings for this beautiful skirt. Probably gonna wear this skirt tomorrow. Well, that was it for the things I actually bought recently. I'm gonna show you something. My dad actually got this thing for me, and I'm gonna show you that I cherish deeply. I've been in search for like the perfect mid-calf or knee-high boots, and I always prefer to buy vintage things because I think it's very cool to have vintage pieces, because I think like, whoa, who wore this? What was their job? Were they an important person? Were they just like me but back in the 70s? I will never know, but based off of like the scuffs on these shoes, it's part of history that I was not born in, and I just think that's so special. Anyways, I will show you the boots. They're one of my prized possessions. I will keep them for as long as they last. And these are like real sturdy quality leather. I just think that they're magnificent. It's lighter in the toe part, and it has this braiding of leather on the sides and a nice chunky heel. Let's see if I can show you some details. And these were a true steal, okay? Let me tell you. I got these for, I think they were around $39, maybe $36, and for vintage 1970s leather boots that go up to like below my knee, like, come on. You can't tell me that's not a steal. So, and my dad paid for them, so I really appreciate that. Imagine the Scottish skirt with the boots, okay? Yeah, I know that they're not like the same time period, probably, and they might look a little weird, but I think it's gonna look great. We're gonna try it out in the try-on haul, just how magnificent it all works together. Well, that was really fun for me. I don't know if you had fun, but I'll see you in a bit. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration or learned some new tips for online thrifting. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time.